Top 5 apps like Cartice Jewelry Review that actually work today. If you love stylish and affordable jewelry, you won't believe what happens next. Most people get this wrong, thinking Cartice jewelry is the only option, but there are apps that provide similar quality, variety, and deals. First up is Etsy. Etsy connects you to independent jewelers offering unique handmade pieces. The app lets you request custom designs and read verified reviews. Second is Souls. Souls app provides fine jewelry and watches with seasonal discounts and loyalty programs. You can browse collections and track orders conveniently. Number 3 is Blue Nile. Blue Nile specializes in engagement rings and fine jewelry. Its app offers detailed product views and secure checkout for online shopping. Fourth is James Allen. James Allen's app features 360-degree videos of diamonds and rings, making selection easy. The app also provides discounts and bundle deals. Finally, Kay's app offers a wide range of affordable and premium jewelry, with easy navigation and notifications for sales or promotions. In conclusion, while Cartice jewelry is convenient, these 5 apps give you better access to handmade, fine, and trendy jewelry options. They make shopping easier, more fun, and reliable.